Hi everyone, this is the third part of our nose cone tutorial. We will finish up on this one. So let's get started. Um, right now we need to extend the tabs out from this surface, this cross section of our nose cone. So to do that, we need to have our last sketch showing. You can see that I have my sketch hidden. So if you are like me and you have your sketch hidden, you're going to make sure you expand your nose cone component, expand your sketch folder, and then show that sketch. And again, I want to use parameters. So I'm going to go to Modify, Change Parameters. You're going to hit the plus button to add a new parameter. And let's make this called tab depth. And we're going to make it 0.04. So do that and then hit OK, and you're ready to go. So let's extrude. We can extrude both of these bottom pieces. I'm going to start pulling this out, and I'm going to make this tab depth and hit return. Great. Now I'm going to hide my sketch, and I'm going to make a new sketch up on this top part of the nose cone. I'm going to push P for project and project this cross section geometry and hit OK. I'm going to use a 2-point rectangle, and I'm going to snap to the midpoint. So I see that triangle that indicates that I'm at the midpoint of that line. I'm going to start dragging up and over. I'm going to set the dimensions by writing TA for tab. That's going to be length. Hit tab again on my keyboard and start typing tab and make this width. All right, I'm going to drag this to this side over here, and I'm going to make another rectangle on this side. So I'm going to type in TA for tab length, tab width, and hit enter. Okay, so I'm going to finish this sketch, and I'm going to extrude this and use a cut operation. So I'm going to make this negative tab depth, and I want to go a little bit more just in case my 3D printer material expands or contracts a little bit. So I'm going to type in minus 0.01. Okay, and now my sketch just disappeared, so I'm going to show it again, and I'm going to extrude this, but outward 0.0. Sorry, I'm going to type in TA for tab depth. And it looks like that. So what you could do is you could copy this, and then you could paste it, and now I have two of the same component. And if I rotate this around 180 degrees and hit OK, I can see that these would fit together, right? So this tab would fit into this slot right here. This tab would fit into that slot. And these two tabs are going to be aligned on top and on the bottom of each other, so that when we want to fasten these together using adhesive, it's going to make a nice joint for us. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. I know that was a long one, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.